Hey guys, just wanted to show you this neat old lawnmower I got here. This is a vintage Bunton Goodall, now wait for it, cemetery lawnmower. This thing was designed back in the day to mow in between tombstones. And it actually bears a striking resemblance to a tombstone. That's its aluminum deck right there. Bunton makes turf care equipment, like golf course related type equipment, and this particular machine was available in a few different widths from there to there. And this is actually the narrowest one. I think this was a 16-inch cut. I honestly don't remember. 18, sorry, right there. 18-inch cut, manufactured, like I said, by the Goodall company, Bunton Goodall Bunton. It's got a Briggs & Stratton engine on there, and this one, despite a little bit of rust and paint flaking, is actually in very good condition. This was donated to me right when I opened up my lawnmower store back in 2009. Someone left this with me. They just said I could have it, and I can tell you, it's the only one I've ever seen in my life. In real life, I looked it up online, and there's a few things about them online, but not very much. And like I said, this one is in pretty good shape. It's all there, looks to be all there, and it's not destroyed. So I have an idea down the road, when we get a little bit of time. Yeah, like that's gonna happen. This is a good little candidate for a restoration. Now, I'm probably never gonna need to use this, guys, but to make a YouTube video on restoring something like an old lawnmower, this is a neat unit, and it's not gonna take a whole lot of time to do. I'm in the light there. Some disassembly, some paint, some cleanup, some paint, little engine rebuild, probably a couple of weekends worth of work, and this thing will look brand new. And I got a crazy little idea to really make this thing fit the cemetery mood. I was thinking of getting a little airbrush work done on the deck there and get a little chrome work done on the motor. We'll see. I don't know. I don't want to get too excited about it. I'm just going to put this in my storage for the next little while so I can get some lawnmowers fixed. That's what I'm doing here today, guys, is I'm loading up lawnmowers. It's just before Christmas Eve, and I've got Toro lawnmowers to disassemble and rebuild for sale in the springtime, so I can pay for some more toys to play with and show you guys on the YouTube channel. Alright, so hit the subscribe button so you don't miss this one. Kind of cool. Leave some comments down below if you know anything about this machine. Thanks for watching.